All right, Tube how the hell's it going? I don't know if you saw my one video or my last one when I took the combine apart, but this arm right here cracked, and I just got her welded back up here the other day. I thought I'd put her back together and do a little video where you can see the crack. Well, you can see the weld right there. I guess the guy, since this is cast iron, the guy said he had to heat it up to about 1,000 degrees, and he got her welded back together for me. So I tightened this bolt down here. Let's see here. It's an 18 millimeter, but you should probably take the alternator off and because you can't get your ratchet in there. If you have a shallow socket, it'd work. But just for tonight, I'm gonna use a pair of vice grips here. Tighten her down with that, and then snug her with these, I guess. And then tomorrow night, it's getting dark on me now, I'll come back and get a wrench put on there. But I just want to see if this is going to work for tonight. Like I said, tomorrow night I'll get the wrench put on here, because I definitely don't want this to come apart. Alright, I don't know, enough of that shit. Now, for this thing here, the spring, this thing here is a pain in the you-know-what to put back on there. There's a hole right there by my sunglasses that this sticks up through like that, and you put a pin through it, and that's what keeps the tension on your belt. But in order to get that far, I gotta take them vice grips right there down there and loosen it, or make the spring go down. So this is how I did it. I don't know if it's the right way or not, but this is my way. Alright, I'll stick her up here and put you guys somewhere so you can laugh, because like I say, it's a chore, it's a chore, it's a chore, chore. Whore. It's a whore and a chore.